Reports are a way of organizing and showing your data in a tabular format. The grid structure of a report makes it easy to find precise and valuable information from your data source. In App Studio, you use the report canvas to create reports. You can access the report canvas by doing one of the following. On the ribbon, on the Home tab, in the Content group, click Report. In the Environments Tree panel, right-click a domain or application folder, point to New, then to Reporting, and then click Report. You can also use the shortcut menu in the Procedure View panel to add a report to an existing procedure. Right-click a procedure component, point to New, and then click Report. When you create a new report, the Report Wizard opens. The Report Wizard guides you through the initial steps of setting up your report and which master file to use. To add fields to your report, double-click or drag a field from the Object Inspector onto the canvas. In App Studio, the report canvas uses Smart Context functionality to determine what field type a field should be, given the metadata of the field and the position of the field on the canvas. Depending on the metadata of the field, and whether you have the Smart Context option turned on or off, fields will be added to your report as an aggregate, sort down, or detail field type. Generally, dimension fields are used as sort columns and placed on the left, while measure fields are used as aggregate columns and are placed on the right. You can manually change these assignments in the Field tab. For instance, you can set an across field to create columns for each value in that field. Tools for customizing your report appear on the ribbon. You can use the Report tab or Format tab to filter and style the report and to change its output format. There are a variety of output formats available, including Windows formats like Excel and PowerPoint, Analytic Document, which allows you to interact with and modify the report at runtime, PDF, and a variety of unstyled text and data formats, from XML to SQL. There is also an option to allow users to pick the format at runtime. In a basic report, the Data tab allows you to create compute fields, which are temporary measure fields based on values that you provide, or that are taken from other fields. The Layout and View tabs allow you to modify the organization of the report and interface respectively. The Field and Appearance tabs are only available when a field is selected. These tabs contain commands that only style and transform the selected field or fields. The Matrix tab is only available when you have a 4-row formatted field on the canvas and then click the Matrix View tab. It contains commands for creating financial reports. The Analytic Document Options tab is only available when you select an Analytic Document Output format on the Format tab. This tab contains options to enhance and customize an analytic document. The Modeling tab is only available if you have RStat installed. This tab allows you to access RStat to create statistical models from your report data. The Report Canvas provides many more advanced options as well that you can use to enhance your content. To learn more, visit the WebFocus Knowledge Base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.